Hi everybody, it's Willie here from Ensystex Australasia, and I'm with Tom from Apex Pest Control, who's doing the video for me today. Thanks, Tom.
No worries.
What Tom's client has got here is they've got pigeons roosting underneath these air conditioning units. They just wanted to keep it fairly simple, keep the cost down, so we're going with the bird away dishes. This is just a gel that goes inside the dishes here. We prefix them to the air conditioning units, around them, underneath them, and what happens is when the pigeons come in, it'll look like they're on fire. That's just the way the optics work on the birds and how this gel works. And then it's also natural. It's got peppermint oil in it and white pepper, so they don't like that, so they won't land next to it, and then they do a distress call to other pigeons, which will also keep them away. The area has been fully cleaned. That's what we need when we're bird proofing. Feces is very important that we get rid of that before we start any kind of install. All right, we'll get this installed and we'll come back to you and let you see what it's like. Thank you. We have got the dishes placed along the back walls, on the air conditioners, under the air conditioners, and that should fix our problem.